Well, YouTubers, Toronto fans, the day has come. Time to pull the old 202 out. Not a bad motor, as I said before, but she's got to come out for that beast up the back there somewhere to go in. Going to get the 173 running without the blower at this stage. Just get it in, get it running, get it run in. But pulling the engine out to give it to a good mate of mine who's going to do the engine detailing, do a bit of paint work, tidy up, get it looking all flash, ready for the new motor. Start to get there, guys. Phase one, you know, radiator, all the gears coming out, radiator hoses, alternator, starting to break it down. Looking forward to giving it a really good clean up as I put stuff back in. But she's starting to get there. Starting to get down to it now. Engine mounts, gearbox mounts, a little bit of work in the console, taking the shifter off, and she's getting close to lifting out. Well, Toronto fans, the old girl's out. Celica gearbox sitting behind the old 202. Steel case, not a bad little gearbox. Engine is absolutely filthy, oil leaks. Hopefully the new one's a bit better than that. She looks good sitting out of the car. She hasn't had oil in it. Hopefully she's not too bad. And for those doing this, make sure you drain the gearbox before you pull it out. It helps with that mess sitting in under there. Anyway, stage one complete. The car goes off probably Tuesday to get the engine bay detailed, and then it's all hands on deck to get it back together.